But how long you better give a treat as good to me if you want to keep life serene. Drink a treat, drink a treat, drink a treat. The whole night through, little Scarecrow bags with fiendish gas. They're making so for you. So ghosts and goblins by the score start to ring the bell on your front door. You better not be stingy or you're not going to do. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. For Halloween, with pumpkin shells cast evil spells. Your little white house is also green. Your little white house on Halloween. Your little white house is green. Every post is a ghost. If you got a witch's brew, if you walk your gate to we can do that too. Can you drink a treat, drink a treat, drink a treat, drink a treat for Halloween? So ghosts and goblins by the score start ringing that bell on your own front door. Well, you better not be stingy or your nightmares will come true. Drink a treat, drink a treat, drink a treat, your nightmares will come true. Thank you so much, everybody and folks. We are the Dapper Dans, and we are here to sing for you.
And you are here to listen to us.
And we hope that we finish first. That's right, don't go anywhere. And at this time, we would like to take a moment and introduce ourselves. So, my name is Tyler. Fellas, we have to go one at a time. Oh,
My friends and gentlemen, it looks like there's only one good way to handle this.
Okay, well, how's that, Jim?
How about the guy that looks the best in orange and black goes first?
Oh. Okay, all right. No, seriously, folks. My name is Will, and I sing lead. Right over here is Tyler singing tenor. We have Jim singing bass. And down there at the end is my good friend Steve singing baritone. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Disneyland. If you look up and down Main Street, U.S.A., you can see that we are celebrating Halloween time.
My favorite time of the year.
Yeah, mine too. Hey, remember after trick-or-treating how we used to sit around and tell ghost stories? You know, this does give me an idea. If you folks want to hear a ghost story, say boo! Hey, that's what they said after our last show. What do you say, fellas?
How about the story that always gets the hairs in the back of my neck to stand up?
Yes. Yeah, remember that one. It will. Yeah? What key's it in? Skeleton key, of course. Swinging way, found the old materialize, and begin to vocalize. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
Now close your eyes and don't try to hide or a silly spook.
They sit by your side, shrouded in a dusty disguise. They pretend to terrorize. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
As the moonlight fire the dead tree,
Spooks ride for the midnight spree. Creepy Chris with eerie eyes start to shriek and harmonize. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
when you hear the knell of the requiem bell,
Mostly where spirits swell, restless souls in the realize. Rise as spooks of every size. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize. Alright, fellas, what do you say we treat these folks to another Halloween tale?
What a nightmare featuring those colorful honey-stealing thieves.
Oh, you mean the one about
Yes, Tiger.
Envelopes and woozles.
Bum, bum, bum,
I like this one.
bum, bum, bum.
They're black, they're brown.
They're up.
They're down, they're in, they're out.
They're all about.
They're all.
They're here.
They're going.
They're here.
We can sleep.
Beware, 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 beware.
They come in ones and twos, but if they so truthful, before your eyes will simply multiply. Fly, along the nervies of better, because they're come in every shape and size. If one of these watching coming, you'll find that they love it, because they love the thing you prize. No, they're green,
They're big, they're white,
they're wild,
they're a terrible sight.
it's high, sounds and horrible notes.
They're coming stripes or polka dots. Beware, 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 beware. Because they love of the thing you prize, 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 prize. They're black, they're brown,
They're
up,
they're down,
they're in, they're all black.
they're fall,
They're here,
they're well,
they're here.
and we can sleep.
Beware, beware, beware,
It does?
Yeah. Why do mummies have trouble keeping friends?
Oh, I don't know, Tyler. Why do you always have trouble keeping friends?
They're too wrapped up in themselves.
Well, that's a petrified convo.
I think you mean putrefied.
Yeah, real stinky. Okay, well, you know who else is wrapped up in themselves? It's that villainous sea witch, Ursula. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 a witch, but you'll find that nowadays she's spending all her days.
Is this true?
Yes, and she fortune tells a little magic that she always possessed. And dear lady, please don't laugh. She'll use it on behalf of the miserable, lonely, and depressed, pathetic, poor, unfortunate souls in need is from longing to be clear. That one once again in her, and does she help them?
Yes, indeed.
Yes, indeed, these poor, unfortunate souls. So true. They come flocking to her cauldron, writing spells her slowly,
And she helps them.
She.
Now we've had it once or twice. Someone could pay the price. And I'm afraid she had to break the law.
Oh no, yes, she's had the odd complaints, but on the whole she's innocent. To those poor unfortunate souls,
Come on, you poor unfortunate souls. Go ahead, make your choice, make your choice. She's a very busy woman, and she hasn't gone in. It won't cost much, just your voice. Your voice for unfortunate souls. So sad, but true, so true. If you want to cross the bridge, my sweet, you've got to pay the toll.
Take a breath and
Go ahead and sign the scroll.
You got her, boys. Your boss is on a roll. This poor unfortunate soul. Poor unfortunate, poor unfortunate, poor unfortunate, poor I'll tell you folks, that Ursula is one bad apple.
Oh, you said it, one bad ride to the core, blood-infested slime, ingested nightmare!
Tyler, I think our guests get the whole creepy picture. Friends, if you're just joining us, we're the Dapper Dans.
That's right, just singing songs to scare us and smile.
Hope we're not too frightful.
Well, Tyler, nothing's as frightful as one of your Halloween jokes.
Thank you so much, I got another one for you. Why did the Scarecrow get a promotion?
I don't know, Tyler, why did the Scarecrow get a promotion?
He was outstanding in his field.
Alright, well, you know, scarecrows aren't the only scary creatures coming out to socialize during Halloween time.
Ooh, that's right. There is a fur wearing a moose creeping through the streets.
So lock up your puppies and close down the pound.
Whenever dogs howl, Cruella's around. There's a wicked woman, only speaking low and sad. She's heartless, cold, and pitiless. She's evil and mad. And when she's about, you better look out. I wanna tell you she's bad. She's so bad. Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. If she doesn't scare you, no evil in well. To see her is the dark sun, chill. Cruella, Cruella de Vil. The curl of night, the icers there. All innocent children.
Everywhere.
She's like a spider waiting for the kill. Look out for Cruella de Vil. At first you think Cruella is the devil, but after time is warm and you shine, you come to realize you've seen her kind of eyes, all watching you from underneath the rock. The vampire bad is a human beast. She ought to be locked up and never released. The world was such a wholesome place until Cruella, Cruella de Vil, Cruella, Cruella de Vil. I gotta tell you, that Cruella is one real transfer.
Your dog got it right.
Hey guys, I have a Halloween riddle for out of your brains, man. What's a vampire's favorite mode of transportation?
I haven't thought yet.
Is it a bicycle?
No, Tyler, it's a blood vessel.
Okay, you know what I didn't know is that my dog would like that.
Okay, your dog white.
Because he's a bloodhound. Hey,
Folks, I'm very sorry.
fellas, what do you say we torment these folks with another tune instead? After all, this is Halloween. Bum 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 Once it comes of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see this is our town of Halloween. This is Halloween.
scream in the dead of night.
This is Halloween, everybody make us trick or treat, tell the neighbors are right. It's our town, everybody scream. It's Halloween. Bum, 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 bum.
I am the one hiding under your bed, teeth ground sharp and eyes going red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs, fingers like snakes and spiders on my hair.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween.
Halloween, 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 Halloween. Now scream.
Here's a clown with a tearaway face. Here in a flash and gone without a trace.
From the boom when you call who's there? I am the wind blowing through your hair.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween.
Halloween, 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 Halloween. Now scream. And we're looking everywhere. Life's no fun without a scare. That's our job, but we're not mean. Our town of Halloween. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween. Now scream. In this town we call home. Everyone hears the honking song. Halloween, 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 Halloween. It's our town. Everybody scream. In this town of Halloween.
I'm gonna think I want something good for you. You wanna hear it? Okay, why don't skeletons ever go out of the town?
Help us out, folks. Why don't skeletons ever go out of the town?
Is there that many bodies to go with?
All right, well, you know what, folks? We sure do enjoy having everybody here with us today, and we hope that you enjoy the rest of your time here at the happiest place on earth. Enjoy Halloween time, and until we meet again, oh, we'll sing a little song, and it won't be very